Are you in the market for a new car in 2025? Well, before you sign on that dotted line, you need to watch this video. Because today, we're exposing the 16 car models that nobody is buying. These are the cars that are collecting dust on dealer lots, the ones that have automakers in a panic. And if you're even thinking about buying one of these, well, let's just say you might want to reconsider. We've done the research, we've crunched the numbers, and we're about to save you from making a massive financial mistake. So buckle up, because this is the 2025 Automotive Graveyard, and you're about to get a guided tour. Let's get started. First up on our list of automotive duds is the Lexus RX Hybrid. Now, you might be thinking, Lexus? Hybrid? What's not to love? Well, apparently, a lot. Despite Lexus's reputation for reliability and luxury, the RX Hybrid is gathering dust with a market day supply of 18 days. That's incredibly low, indicating very few people are buying them. While it offers a plush ride and decent fuel economy, its premium price tag of over $62,000, combined with a somewhat uninspired driving experience, just isn't cutting it for buyers in 2025. Consumers want more bang for their buck or a more exciting drive, and the RX Hybrid simply isn't delivering. Next on our list is a surprising entry, the Toyota Highlander. Toyota, the king of reliability and resale value, has a slow seller on its hands. With a market day supply of 21 days, the Highlander isn't flying off the lots like its siblings. At an average selling price of over $52,000, the Highlander faces tough competition from newer, more stylish SUVs with better tech. While it's still practical and dependable, its design feels dated and its infotainment system lags behind. In a crowded market, that just isn't enough. From one Lexus to another, we have the Lexus GX. Known for off-road prowess and rugged build, it has a market day supply of 23 days. Even the allure of rugged luxury isn't enough to entice buyers. The GX's body-on-frame construction makes it less refined and less fuel-efficient than its competitors. Its interior feels dated, lacking modern tech and sleek design. At nearly $80,000, buyers are turning to newer options. Another surprise from Toyota, the Sienna minivan. It has a market day supply of 24 days, showing a big slowdown in sales. Even with a spacious interior and all-wheel drive, minivans are losing ground to three-row SUVs. Families want something that looks rugged, and the Sienna can't overcome that trend. Next up, the Cadillac Escalade, with a market day supply of 27 days. Once a symbol of American luxury, it's losing appeal in 2025. At over $117,000, buyers are questioning the value. It's big, heavy, and thirsty, while rivals offer more tech and refinement. The Escalade just isn't dominating like it used to. Now, the Toyota Corolla Cross, which has a market day supply of 29 days. It was supposed to fill the gap between the Corolla sedan and RAV4, but is falling short. It's not as roomy as the RAV4, nor as efficient as the Corolla. Its performance is uninspiring, and the interior lacks flair. In a crowded SUV segment, it's struggling to stand out. This one might shock you, the Toyota Camry. Even the king of mid-size sedans has a market day supply of 30 days. The sedan market is shrinking fast as buyers move to SUVs. Despite updates, the Camry can't beat changing preferences. It's still solid, but the market wants something else. Next, the Toyota RAV4 with a market day supply of 33 days. It's been a sales leader for years, but competition is catching up. Newer models offer better hybrid systems, more luxury, and better tech. The RAV4 is still good, but no longer unbeatable. The Toyota Corolla also has a market day supply of 33 days. Known for reliability and affordability, even it is struggling. Again, SUVs are taking over. Despite good fuel economy and price, buyers want higher driving positions and more versatility. Now the Lexus ES, another slow seller with a market day supply of 33 days. It's comfortable and reliable, but not what luxury buyers want in 2025. The luxury sedan market is shrinking as buyers prefer SUVs with better visibility and presence. The ES's conservative styling and quiet ride just don't excite enough buyers. Next, the Audi A5, S5, and RS5 Coupe and Convertible. Audi is discontinuing them after 2024. Why? The market for two-door cars is shrinking. Buyers want practicality, so Audi keeps the sportback versions but drops the coupes and convertibles. Then we have the Bugatti Chiron. This isn't about poor sales but planned discontinuation. Bugatti built 500 units and now it's moving to its new V16 hybrid model, the Tourbillon. The Chevrolet Camaro is also ending after 2024. Even with strong engines and aggressive looks, it lagged behind the Mustang and Challenger in sales. The market for muscle cars is shrinking, so Chevy is retiring it for now. Next, the Ferrari 812. Ferrari is replacing it with the 12-cylindry. It's the natural cycle of supercars. Out with the old, in with the new. Then, the Ferrari F8 Spider. Another victim of Ferrari's shift toward hybrid models. Even great cars make way for something newer and greener. Finally, the Fisker Ocean. It won't be around in 2025, not because of low demand, but because the company went bankrupt. Software issues, quality problems, and production delays doomed the brand. And there you have it, 16 car models that are either gathering dust or gone forever in 2025. Remember, do your research, don't just trust the badge, and be a smart buyer. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Tell us in the comments which of these cars surprised you the most. See you next time.